This is pdf2audio, a self-hosted app that turns the books you own into audiobooks with a little AI on top. As in the whole series, the app's own voice is narrating, this book is playing on the right, and the demo runs on the left. This final video is about extensions, how the app opens up to the world outside and where the project is heading. It stands on its own, like every video before it. The core idea extends further than PDFs. The app has a small JSON API, and whatever produces text can become an audiobook through it. So here is a terminal. A script posts a title and a list of chapters to the local server, and there it is, a new book in the library, wearing a little API badge, ready to review and synthesize. Or already synthesizing, if the script asked for that. The built-in Hacker News Digest is a little consumer of exactly this idea. Pick a date range, preview the day's top stories, and hit build. The AI retells each story as a short radio segment, the log streams by, and a few minutes later the day's news is an audiobook in your library, one chapter per story. And in the spirit of honesty, here is the book behind this very narration. It entered the app through that same API, and the app has been narrating its own introduction all along. That is the pattern we care about. Newsletters, articles, notes, feeds. If it is text, it can be in your ears. As for where this is heading, the core belief stays fixed. Making an audiobook from a book you own should be free, and the free local voices already carry you far. The paid services are there only when you want to step up in quality. Today, the semantic search already runs on a local model, and we want the rest of the AI to have a local option too. More voices, more languages, and a list of ideas longer than the list of features. What you have seen in this series is where it stands as of this recording. That is the end of the tour. Import, extract, listen, ask, translate, scale, extend. Everything runs on your machine, and your books are yours in every format. Enjoy them. There's a new ad blocker in the iOS browser world, but if you're expecting it to block every ad you see, you might want to read the fine print. Firefox for iOS has finally added a native ad blocker, and at first glance it sounds like a huge win for mobile privacy. The feature works at the network level, meaning it stops many ads from even loading, using a filter list based